Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be an Instagram application tutorial. And in this video I would like to show you how to share Instagram Reels into your WhatsApp story to let your friends know about what you are interested to. So the first thing you have to do, you just need to open the Instagram application, and after you open it, you just need to jump into the Reel section. So there will be 5 sections here. This is home, explore, creating your own feeds, and here is the Reels. You just need to go click it and find out which Reels that you want to share. And after you find it, you just need to go click these symbols, and after that you just need to scroll or slide this part into the left side until you found WhatsApp. And now you just need to click it, and now you just need to go click my status, and whenever it's already checked on this part, you just need to go click next and go click send. So those reel is already sent into your story and people will be able to access it. So that's the way how to share the reels or Instagram Reels into your WhatsApp story. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.